Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Entrepreneur, and this is the second story I wanted to talk about today, and it's a much shorter one, much more straightforward. But Taxify is launching in Paris. London said no, and while Taxify, I'm sure, wants to get into London at some point, they have decided to move on to other ventures in the meantime, and they are opening their doors in Paris, where they have already signed on 5,000 drivers, and the Paris government seems very, very willing to let them in. So that's pretty much all this story is. It seems that Taxify is very serious about expanding. They are not, I don't know if they're in America yet. They might be, but if they are, they're only in like New York. I suspect that what they're going to try to do is their strategy is going to be a little different. Because Uber already has such a stranglehold here, and then Lyft is kind of like, a distant second. I think they're going to try to expand their services in places where Uber and Lyft don't have strongholds. Once they've got a bunch of those wrapped up and they've got control of those, then they will probably come into America. It's going to be, I kind of wonder, is gig economy going to be like where each country has like its own app for ride sharing? That there can only be like one app in each country. And like Uber will get London, Taxify gets Paris, Lyft gets Mexico and Canada. I don't know, by the way. And by the way, I'm not saying these are the countries that they have. I'm just spitballing, of course. But yeah, it's pretty clear that there's going to be some heavy competition worldwide. It kind of got started in America. China, Didi pretty much has a huge control. What about the other countries? Who knows? I would love to know, though. Hey, if anyone is watching this video, if you're from Paris or France or whatever, what's Taxify like? Let us know. I would love to know. So comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe. And if you enjoy the videos I make, consider becoming a Patreon member for as little as $1 a month. $5 will get you access to exclusive videos. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.